Hello and welcome. Today we're working on how to do empty cells in Excel. For example, this is easy to read, but Nashville should be in every cell if we're in Excel, and then Boone all the way down and so on. Now we're going to have a separate issue if we have numbers. So let's do the first one here. Let's highlight these two columns and we're going to replace all the blank cells with the text above it. Now there's two ways to do this. We can hit F5, which is function F5 a lot of times, and then go special and then do blanks. We want to highlight all the blanks. So now we're highlighted all the blanks. So here you see that Boone is selected and all the other cells are highlighted that are blank. Now here's the key. We're going to hit Control and Enter. So I'm not going to select anything. It's already selected. I'm going to put equals, because a formula, and then point to Boone above it. Now if I hit Enter, it's going to replace that one cell, but I want to hit Control and Enter. So while I hold down Control and Enter, it's going to put all the previous labels in all the cells below that were blank. Now, these now have formulas in them, and so if we did something, it would mess up with formulas. So one thing we want to do here is highlight all this, and then copy. I'll do it the easy way. You can see copy, and then highlight that all that's highlighted, paste special values, and now we've replaced the formula with the actual text. So that's one way to do it if you have empty cells and you want to put a label in it using a formula or whatever. Now, let's say we have a different problem with empty cells here. Our empty cells, are they really zero, or is the data not available, or we didn't start selling in January, Nashville, Robertson, whatever. So we have to decide, what do we want to do? So I'm going to highlight all this, and I'm going to go and instead of doing the F5 key, I'm going to do the Find and Select on the Home ribbon, go to Special, it saves us maybe a keystroke here, blanks. And so now what we have, I want to put let's say I want to put 0. Well, I'll just put 0 here because the cells were truly 0, and I'm going to hit Control Enter, and then all the numbers come out to be 0. Now we can do it a different way. I'm going to undo that. What if you say, hey, we didn't have sales at that point. It's not really $0. It's really not available or before we started. So I'm going to go up here and put none, Control Enter, and they all now have none. We know we're not missing data. It's just no sales were happening at that point. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.